And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with preparation movement. We continue with the first 3 steps of natural turn. Then we dance Fallaway Whisk. From here we dance Chasse from promenade position, moving diagonally to center. We continue outside partner with quick open reverse turn. Then we dance hover Corte for 1 bar, continued by back whisk. And from whisk we dance wing. And we continue outside on left lady's side with open telemark. Notice the lady's heel turn here. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take hold, man is facing diagonally to wall, preparation movement, and we move diagonally to wall with first 3 steps of natural turn. We continue down line of dance with Fallaway Whisk, and we turn ready to move diagonally to center with Chasse from promenade position. In same direction we continue with quick open reverse turn. Then down line of dance we continue with hover Corte. Notice lady's brush here. Then against line of dance back whisk. Wing, down line of dance. In same direction we continue with open telemark. Notice lady's heel turn, and we finish ready to move diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.